Today we're going to be doing a comparison between two different brands of running pliers, the classic Silberschnitt running pliers and the new kid on the block, the Runner by Techniglass, starting right now. So if you're new to stained glass and you don't know what running pliers are, they are designed to help you break glass. After you've done your score line across the surface of the glass, you can then fracture it in a number of ways in order to lead the glass along that score line to break in a controlled way. Running pliers are really good at helping you to control that fracture as you move it along the score line. And these particular two brands of running pliers are designed specifically to help you with complicated shapes. If you're cutting a complicated shape out of a piece of glass and it's got bends and curves in it, very often the fracture can run off in lots of different directions and it's difficult to control. These running pliers have been designed to help you nurse that fracture round all of the score curves in order to get the outcome that you want. You're not going to break the glass, it's not going to go off in lots of different directions. Hopefully by the end of this video, you'll have a clearer understanding of what each brand can offer you, and that'll help you in your purchasing of your next set of pliers. So let's start with the Silberschnitt running plier to start with. This, as I say, has been in the marketplace for a long period of time. Many of you will have a set of running pliers like this. The new brand here, Techniglass, are slightly different in design and construction, but essentially do the same job. When you compare them side by side, you can see that the Techniglass pliers are slightly longer than the classic Silberschnitt pliers. As far as aesthetics is concerned, there's a different style with design here. This is a very industrial Germanic design. This is a more contemporary design, a little bit more colorful with the splash of orange here at the front. There is a difference between the handle lengths, as you can see here. The Techniglass pliers are slightly longer, and it does look as if there's a little bit more grip area in terms of the handle length compared to the Silberschnitt pliers. Now, I did comment in my review of the Techniglass pliers that they feel particularly comfortable in the hand. I think that's because the handles have been rounded and there are no sharp corners or sharp edges to hold. The classic Silberschnitt pliers, on the other hand, have a much flatter, more angular set of handles. Ergonomically speaking, the handles on the Techniglass running pliers do feel marginally more comfortable to use than the Silberschnitt pliers. Let's turn our attention to the working end of the pliers, which is these pads here. The classic Silberschnitt pliers have a fixed pad and a rotating pad. Now this is a rectangular rotating pad which you can move 360 degrees to follow the score line. Now it does require a little bit of close inspection to see exactly the position of this pad, especially if you're rotating it and it is hidden behind the metallic handle. It's quite difficult to see the exact position of the rotating head. That isn't the same case with the Techniglass pliers. So with this bright orange rotating head, you can easily determine the exact position of the rotating head in relation to the score line. The top protruding handle will always point in exactly the same direction as the score line, making it really easy to position the rotating head in exactly the same direction of travel as the score line. As far as the practicalities, both pliers work extremely well. They do fulfill their function in terms of helping you to control that score line and that fracture as you work your way around complex shapes when cutting glass. There are a couple of differences to bear in mind. One of the principal differences at the time of making this video is the cost. Here in the UK, you can pick up a set of Silberschnitt pliers for about £52. On the other hand, currently the cost for the Techniglass running pliers is £61.98, a difference of £9.98. Now that's not a small difference, that is a reasonable difference, something to certainly bear in mind. In terms of replacing the heads, periodically I imagine you're going to have to replace these heads as they wear out. With regard to the Silberschnitt, it's very easy to do. These rotating heads simply pop out and then you can replace them by putting a new head within this housing here. and it's a very straightforward process. However, with the Techniglass pliers, it's a slightly more complicated process because there is a housing screw that holds this rotating head in place, and you can't immediately access it without removing this pad underneath. And by removing it, it creates a hole through which you can thread a Phillips screwdriver or a diamond-headed screwdriver to unscrew this head and replace it, then carefully thread the screwdriver back in place and tighten up the screw again. Quite a lot more fiddly to replace that head than the Silberschnitt head here. So the principal differences I can see on these two pliers: one is the aesthetic difference. This is a very Germanic industrial design. This is a more contemporary, slightly more colorful design. You may have a preference in terms of aesthetics. In terms of functionality, they both perform extremely well. They're extremely well designed, fit for purpose. They feel durable, they're good in the hand, and I think they're going to be a good investment, whichever one you decide to buy. So I'd love to hear in the comments below this video which set of pliers you have decided to buy and why. Now, if you've enjoyed today's video, please check out this video next as you continue your journey in the wonderful world of stained glass. Thanks again for watching. Bye for now.